So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday the 19th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices come up towards this 50.56. We saw the further sell side momentum come back into the market. Had a brief consolidation beneath this 49.78. From there we did see sell side momentum bring us down beneath the 148.40. Below this 149.10, bringing us all the way down to this 148.46. Traded below this 148 level, from which we did see buy side momentum come back into this market. Seeing prices move up towards this 149.78 and pre-pull back to 49.10. Another test of 140, well, 150 essentially. Another test of 150. Had a brief consolidation before seeing a breakdown in prices currently beneath the just below the 49.10. So we're operating around the 49.10. So if we look at this as being our low, potentially we have a higher low. If we do hold this as a higher low, we'll see a price direction around the 49.78. Strong major level marked out here in red. A successful break from which we're looking for price up towards a 150.56. In around 150.56, we also have the added confidence of the 200 period average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing that sell side momentum bring us down towards that 149.78 or possibly down to 149.10. Or if there's sufficient market volatility, I've moved down towards a 148.46. If, however, we are able to successfully navigate the 150.56, we're looking for a price head towards a 151.25. A successful break from which we're looking for a price head towards a 152, and a move beyond there. We're looking to see how price react around the 400 period average. 400 period moving average currently sitting in around the 152.50. Successful break from which we're looking for prices head towards a 152.85, which is a major level marked out here in red, which proved problematic in 2017 for the pound yen. Here on the 19th, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 152.85. To the downside, if we do see the further downside continuation, we have to be aware of the levels that we could be looking for to the downside. So if we do break down from where we are at present, we'll see a price direct around 148.46, major level marked out in red, and the 148 level, our previous swing low in the market, just down there. If we are able to successfully navigate our previous swing low as well, we'll be looking for price head towards a 147.35, the very next major level marked out in red. Successful break from which we're looking for price head towards a 146 level. Again, a major level marked out here in red. Overall, on the higher time frames, there is a slight upwards bias on the pound yen, but we are seeing quite a bit of retracement at present, so we do have to be aware of that the market is in a state of flux. But let's just have a look at the daily chart just to highlight our point. So if you have the just have a quick check, let's get the scale on here correct. So as you can see, we did have this move upwards, but we've had a pretty strong sell-off now going ahead. We look poised to head down towards that 147.35. We've also got the added confluence of the 200 period moving average sitting slightly above the 137.35. So we've had a pretty strong sell-off just there, as indicated. But the fact that we have had these wicks suggesting that there are some buyers in this market, they've not been able to take control of the market as of yet. But possibly markets are about to stall and possibly all the way down at the 200 period average before we see a brief recovery. Either it will be a recovery which pretty much reverses the entire sell-off, or a recovery which gives us a potential lower high for further sell side momentum to the downside. And so with that said, that pretty much covers everything in regards to the pound yen. Thanks for watching.